Welcome back to StockSmart Investing. Of course, we're going to look at AMC. Alright. Now, this ThinkScript study here is the market forecast. And it looks like we are getting up and up and up. Alright, so let's get rid of that. And as we can see, we've got a big doji here. I'll go down to the 4-hour. We can see the breakout. Okay. But that's not a really good sign that we're getting. Okay. Yeah, see, it broke out and then started to follow that trend, almost like it just jumped onto another channel. Alright. Let's, well, we're not really going to zoom out much more, but this was a bit of a divergence here on the 1-hour chart. And of course, maybe having a 150 period, you know, is a bit over. Okay. As we can see on the 15-minute line, we could be coming above zero here very soon, too. So, here we go. We're coming above. And we usually get big moves when that happens. So that's something we'll be looking for. On this 5-minute chart, though, it looks like we might open up in the downwards direction. Alright. So it looks like we're going to pop off, you know, and come up in price a little bit. And then it's going to drop off again real quick. I see. Alright, now let's switch this over and see what our renko bars have. Alright. Interesting here. Alright. So we get a good signal to buy in here, a good signal to buy in here. There we go. Let's see how she plays out here. It's not moving very much here pre-market. I mean, the point of control is still right here, though, at 58.11. That's pretty sturdy. A low of 51.93. Not real sure what the market maker move is. might not be privy to that info right now. Okay. Yeah, just not happening. Let's see what we've got going on here. Okay, now what this is reading is every time this line is, true, it's a new high. And every time, this red one is true, it's a new low, new low, new low, new low. Okay. A bottom. So it looks like this did like a triple bottom. Let's go out to the daily and see if we can see anything. Alright, so we aren't hitting any highs right now. But you will know when we're starting to hit our high. This will start to go up, and, when this starts to drop, see it gave that buy opportunity, then price shot up again. Let's see, when did it start to drop off? Looks like here at 53.98 it starts to drop off. Okay. Let's see what, looks like we've accepted price somewhere right in here. Alright. See if we can get our scanner to work on a couple today. See what things are moving up with the Darvis box. Let's see about this one. Let's try this one. It's been very reliable here lately. And it should be an easy one to pull up. And I know there's high activity, on it this morning. That's just because I can tell, given that nothing wants to load, and I'm on real-time data. Oh, okay. I see. Shilling out the money, huh? Is that Ekamarma Durkle? BlackRock? Eek. Why are we so red today here in these sectors, so green in these sectors here? Very interesting. Alright, so let's pull up our Tesla here. Ooh, I see. But it looks like it's about to go on a shorting spree too. And it's not hitting any highs or any lows, so yeah. Short it, then you would have covered here. Now you're doing nothing. You're waiting for your next signal. Looks like it just broke below zero here. It's breaking below. Now when this moving average breaks below, that'll be a big signal, but it doesn't look so great. Although it's 82% as well. It's being traded here pre-market. Let's see if it's moving. Of course, expiry days are days that things tend to move. We see orders placed in here. Typically 2 or 3, that's normal. And they'll just be there chilling, waiting. Yeah, and see that's where these this where must be where these dark pools are at, in some of these brokerages. Okay. Yeah, looks like it might finally break out of this wedge here. Yeah, they're having major slowdowns. I may as well just go over here to the public list and see the gap ups and the percent gainers. Yeah, see, it'll show me that. You don't want to pull up any of my custom lists. That's just mean. How about Arun Bullish? That's a simple one to pull up. Okay, very good. Disney, STE. I see ya. And TMO had a little pop here. They're starting to get a buyback. Let's see. Yeah, this is starting to hit its highs. I'd leave that one alone. Actually, I'd leave all of those alone. Even though this is a very good signal, we can usually trust this signal. I'm not so sure right now at this time, though, with the percent R the way that it is. Yeah, I see nothing showing up there. Let's see if anything's up. See if the pump and dump detector is working. This works on very simple metrics. It should show up. Nope. GERN is on the RSI Ligare. Let's see this. Oh, very good. Big buying. Point of control is way up here at 183. Very good. I like that. Now that is the exact same thing that VTRN, or VTNR, did when I found it. So let's go and find out GERN. Let's just do a quick search on them. Okay, GERN Corporation is a biotech located in Foster City, California, specializes in commercializing therapeutics products for cancer that inhibit Let's see. Telomerase. Oh, I see. So it went from 139 to 160 something here. First thing this morning, 180. Now it's fizzled out. Okay. Let's see. Churn stock will increase over 30% pre-market. Why it happened? Oh, increases, I see. Either way. All right, so we can expect a possible little move in that one. All right, in Jern. It's a shame, too. Oh, got her up to 192, 193. I see. Excellent. All right, let's hone in here. See, on the daily, we got it way moving. Now, see, now the point of control is way down here. All right, now let's try to find our market maker move study. And see if we can get it working. Okay, here we go. So they got a tight bid-ask spread. All right, that's 2 cents. No, they're in control within 2 cents. We would call that a tight move. Okay. So we can see what happens when this moving average starts to cross above the line. We hit a bottom here, which is good. We recognize a top, then we recognize a bottom, and then we get a bull flag, a good signal. It takes off. Now we're running in price is what's happening. It will, it will stop. Now we could go in and I'm sure this will show up on other lists too, if we can get them working. Although I don't know why multiple of them are just not quite working here this morning. Must be too early. For YouTube example, the only one on it is AMC. That's funny. And that has pretty strict scanning criteria, too. Not exactly strict, but good enough. A close price, ask price, beta, volume, and then a custom scan that involves, these criteria here. And you can, feel free to copy said scan and use it. It works very well. Okay. Helps you find things that are moving. Although it would be wise to put it down on the time frame that you intend to trade it on. So if you're going to trade the 4-hour chart, design a 4-hour scan, daily chart, and vice versa. I like looking at the daily and 4-hour charts, but unfortunately, daily signals, even though we're getting a short signal here with AMC, on the 4-hour, on the daily, we're still in. Okay. But it looks like we hit our highs, and now we're, it's just regular trading action up and down. Okay. So we can get rid of this 4-way solution here. And I have a 4-way scan, so we can scan for those criteria. Except it adds one more. Of course. So it'll do the fairly simple ones, but not the real complex ones. Okay. Let's see what we have for reversals. 25 tick here. Now here's a fun little thing we can do. I see, yeah, that's why we're getting that short signal. Look at this moving average here. It's about to cross over the 0. Even though we're getting this good signal here, man, I really hope that it doesn't. I hope it gets pushed up. Oh, look, we hit a bottom. All right. Go, baby, go. Bottom, bottom. All right, now we're getting this bull flag signal here, but without getting, an up signal. Interesting. Yeah, let's add our TEMA on there. Our TEMA. Oh, we can just use the regular standard TEMA. We don't need to use TEMA bot. And we'll change it over to our 21 period. And see. Oh. All right. I mean, we're technically still in a good trend. Let's go out 10-day, 50 tick. Yeah, just can't seem to break that resistance there. So if these are 50-cent moves, you could scalp 50-cent moves, or in and out. Let's just say, on 5 and 10 and 15-cent moves inside of those 50-cent blocks. That might be the way to go. Okay. Yes, very good. Let's get rid of that. Let's find something else. Of course, we could look at what is the HAC? Let's add that and find out. Apparently, it's nothing. We'll have to look back into that. Oh my goodness, so many. Option gamma. Let's add that. Oh, I saw the HAC pop up with something. Guess we don't get to see that either. Switch it over this way. No bueno. No gammas. Okay. Let's add that here. Hiya. All right. And I've seen some interesting volume studies, and I think it here lately, some of them are meant to, at least the one that I was asking about, it had it might have been the bar when it was over average change color, so we may have to go in and just code that to happen. But we also want to bring up the direction as well. Boy, that's a dark blue. Let's change it to something readable. Okay. There we go. Looks like they do kind of change the shade of the green. see. Show you, these big explosions here. Let's go look at Journ. Oh, very good. I see. Yes, yes, yes. So we're getting buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure, and we're about to get above zero. If it gets above zero, it will probably take off, as identified here by this volume indicator. All right. And it looks like we've got way more bulls than bears. Way more bulls than bears. Way more. Okay. They were about, they were exactly equal right here. Exactly equal. Isn't that interesting? If you take as many shares long as you do short, you're basically going to, this is the middle. If you can dub right down on the middle right here and go long and short at the same time, that might be something to pay attention to within analyzing volume bars. Yay, nay? I think that's a great idea. El excelente. All right, so I'll drop this back over here. Put it back on 5 tick because it's a very small stock here. All right, so from our low, all right, this was our real confirmation, maybe here. Get out, get in, hoo-hoo, get out, so break-even trade, kind of. And now we're just hitting a high. So unless our TIMA really gets under it, and it looks like we're already going back down. Yeah, unless our TIMA really, really gets under that line there. Looks like the run could be over. People might be buying into the high. Change it to the 10 tick. 10 tick, it might start increasing pretty generously then by 10 ticks. And we are breaking above zero. And got the Darvis signal here, the Chanday running signal here. See, nothing's showing up on that reversal list. Nothing's showing up on the Chanday. Yeah, nothing. Something sneaky's going on this morning. Alright. Well, we got this down signal, down, 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 down. Looks like our robot caught the buy signal way, before the explosion. It was able to catch it. Then we got a couple other signals that verified, greater than average volume and whatnot. And it looks like all through here, you might be starting to, build your position. So let's see, that goes all the way back to the first of the month, the beginning. Yeah, we're not seeing no very good results. All right. Need to do 10 tick for Tesla. And I'm sure we don't need to get 20 days worth of data. There we go. Looks like we're leaving the point of control behind here. But the shorts might have the market then. I put Tesla up to 100 tick. It's showing that you might consider buying. I think I'll go in this code here and change this color orange to white. Maybe purple, something that really jumps out. You know, notice how that happened on that signal too. Same thing here. It's probably not coincidental. As we can see, when this particular, yeah, but that orange is a little hard to spot, so let's go in there. Go X line, T down. Oh, they're dynamically set. Decifine. Let's just go white, blue. Plot trend down. Let's see, orange, else, then red, light green, green. Okay. So this will give you some false signals too. So let's change that here. Okay. No such constant. Purple? What do you mean you don't have purple? Pink. Cool. Oh, that's not very pink. Thanks, guys. Though it seems to give a buy signal when it says it's, you know, downtrend. Interesting. When that was really the proper, you know, entry right here. There was your trade. Maybe from this signal here, you know, right when it crosses. Looks like we would have taken a short. We'd cover that now. And looks like, so we'd be waiting. Yeah. It says it's still in a downtrend, though. Although way more buying than selling pressure. Interesting. All right, we'll bring this back out to the day here. And we'll take a look. But these are the signals we would have gotten out on the daily chart, with our particular strategy we have up. So I thank you for watching. Come on over, join the channel, join the Discord. Consider becoming a Patreon.